Hello everyone, I'm Marisa. Welcome to my studio. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the popular holiday song, Silent Night. It is never too early to start learning holiday music. I do have the sheet music for you. It's a link in this video's description. So go ahead and print it out and follow along in today's lesson. Let's get started. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll go over it step by step with you. Let's look at the notes in the right hand. So we will find middle C first, move up to the next G, and we have a little introduction, and I'll go ahead and just show you hands together to get it out of the way. So the right hand has G, A, G, then left hand B, D, F, G, B, and then hold. And then we go into the melody. In the right hand, we have E and G together, A, G, E, repeat, E and G, A, G, E. Move up to F with D, repeat the D, then F and B, then E and C, repeat the C, then E and G. Next, E and A, repeat the A, F and C, B, A, E and G, A, G, E. F and A, repeat, F and C, B, A, E and G, A, G, E. Then move up to A and D, repeat the D, then B and F, D, B, C, A, B, C, D, then chord, A, C, E. When you get to that chord, I'm going to ask you to roll it, which means you play one at a time in a fast motion. So again, so together it's then we have E with a C on top, G, E, middle C and G, F, D, middle C. Then our ending as we move down with middle C on top and E and G underneath it. Next, let's look at the right hand fingering. Again, I'm going to treat the introduction as a separate thing, looking at both hands together. So we'll have finger 2 on G in the right hand. So it's 2, 3, 2, then left hand 3, 1, right hand 1, 2, 4, and then you hold that note. Then our melody, fingers 1 and 2, 3, 2, 1. Again, 1 and 2, 3, 2, 1. Move up, 1 and 5, 5, 1 and 3. Move down, 1 and 5, 5, 1 and 2. Then 1 and 3. Repeat 3, 1 and 5, 4, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 2, 1. 1 and 3. Repeat. 1 and 5, 4, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 2, 1. Move up. 1 and 3. Repeat 3, 1 and 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. Rolled together. Move down. 1 and 5, 3, 2, 1 and 5, 4, 2, 1. Then our ending chord, 1, 2, 5. Let's look at the left hand notes. We'll skip the intro now and get right to where the melody comes in. So left hand has C. So here's middle C again. So bass C, then G, A, G. Repeat C, G, A, G, then D, G, A, B, C, B, G, F, A, C, B, G, F. Repeat. A, G, F, E, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F sharp, G, D, then F and G together, then A, G, F, G. Pick up and move down to C and G. Okay, the fingering for those left-hand notes. Finger 5 on low C, then 2, 1, 2, repeat. 5, 2, 1, cross over to B with finger 2, then 1 on C, 2, 4, 5, 3, C, 2, 4, 5, 5, 3, cross under finger 1 to G, finger 2 on F, then E with finger 3, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross over to 2, realign, then play 3, then 4 on the F sharp, then bring your 2 to G, 5 on D, then 2 and 3 together, then your 1 is on A, then 2, 3, bring your thumb to G, lift off to 1 and 5, low C and G. Okay, let's put it together with both hands and the counting. So find your positions, finger 2 on G, finger 3 on B. So there are 3 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Hold 1, 2, then begin. 1 and 2 and 3. 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 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Let's hear it all together. Just the music, no talking. Thank you for joining me today. Great job getting all the way through. Continue practicing, remembering to have patience and to be kind with yourself. And most importantly, to have fun. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. And please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you at the next lesson.